A very good evening, all of you. Welcome to Next Level. I hope I'm audible to you. Kindly confirm my audio is clear, video is clear. If everything is fine, we can start the session. So, guys, kindly confirm is everything is fine from my side. Just let me check that, then we can start. Very good evening, very good evening. I hope everything is fine, then we can start. Yes, thank you very much. So, let me start the session. In this short session of hardly, I'll take 40-45 minutes of your time to uh, explain about everything about our next level, the channel and also the platform. So the next level channel, what it is giving to you for all the engineers, what we are going to give will be explained in this channel, and also the difference between the next level channel and the platform, what you get in the channel, what you get in the platform, everything will be discussed in this session. So let me wait for 1-2 minutes hardly so that the people are joining, then we can start the session. Okay. So welcome to Next Level. So here I'll be addressing the unresolved issue of many engineers, and I will be showing you the solution. So this platform, how this platform is going to help every engineer, how it is different compared to all the existing EdTech platforms. There are many YouTube channels for preparing for your GATE examinations, competitive examinations. So what's the difference between those existing channels and this particular channel we are going to discuss? So I will be taking in 4 different parts. First, I will be explaining you the motivation behind starting this channel or starting this platform, why I have started this and everything. And in the second part, what are the current issues faced by the engineers and what you can expect from my side, what are my promises for you people. And the lastly, I'll be explaining uh, what we are at next level, what how we are different compared to others at the next level, and our team I'll be introducing. And lastly, you will be having some surprise. Many people are asking for this particular initiative for from many years. I'm struggling to start this particular initiative that I will be announcing at the end. So please stay up to the end of this session. Kindly like this session and share with many and many of your friends. I really worked for this particular day. I'm waiting for past 2 years to start my own platform to help all you people. I've announced long back to help you all, but I'm unable to make it because I need to make a team. There are n number of issues I need to resolve. All of them I'm able to resolve it now, and I'm coming live for you guys. So let's start the session. Just a moment. So the motivation behind starting this platform, as I told you, I want to solve all the unresolved issues of the engineers. Sir, what are those unresolved issues? So I want to make this platform as a one-stop solution for every engineer. Tomorrow, an engineering student comes to me and he want to go to IIT, he want to settle in artificial intelligence, he want to settle in the VLSI. For everybody, this channel must be like a source. I want to create the biggest possible resource for you to share all the possible information uh, for the engineers. So currently the issue is many people are preparing as completing their engineering, but they don't know what to do until they complete the engineering. After completion of the engineering, they're taking 1 year, 2 year of time. Then they are going through the coaching institutes, roaming around the institutes, going to the classes. After all this struggle, they are settling for one particular job. This is what's happening currently. I've seen many engineers, they don't know what an engineer can do, what are the opportunities they are available for them, and what sort of information they need, what sort of knowledge they need to do a particular direction they want to go. Then what sort of inputs, strengths they need, what sort of training they need. Nothing. Everybody is preparing for gate examination. I will also prepare for the gate examination. This is the only thing most of the engineers knows here. So for all you people, I want to help you with my knowledge. As you people knows me from past many years, if somebody is new to the platform, I'm very sorry, I forgot to introduce also, because many of the students already knows me. So myself, Bhima Sankar, I did my M.Tech from IIT Kharagpur and also pursuing my PhD from IIIT Hyderabad. I have 14 years of teaching experience in GATE, engineering services and various competitive examinations. I'm able to place my students in top NITs, top IITs and top MNCs. I'll be discussing about myself little later also again, but let's discuss about today's theme and the channel. So I'm seeing your comments, guys. I will be helping for you people. I will be responding to your comments. Just give me some time. If you give me some time, let me finish what I want to give to you. Then at the end, we can finish. I will be responding to your comments for sure. Okay. So let's start. So let me address some current problems faced by many engineers. 90% of the engineers, at least I can say, facing these kind of issues. So let's start with the educational institutes, that is the colleges you are studying, and the coaching institutes where you are preparing for your competitive examination. So if you genuinely say to me, are you comfortable with what you are doing in the current coaching industry? Currently in the coaching industry, many things are happening. You are preparing for an exam, you are going there. How much percentage of the people are really succeeding in this coaching industry? Hardly 10%. Those 10% ranks will be available in every web page, right? But what about the remaining 90%? If you go for a coaching industry, if you go for a coaching institute, you have completed your course, but you are not able to secure the rank. Are they really helping you after completion of your course also? If you need some personal guidance, are they sparing at least half an hour of time for you? Just think of it. I have seen these kind of situations. Daily n number of messages I will be getting. I'm able to help them. I'm able to reply them at the biggest possible level. But still, I have seen this kind of gaps in the coaching industry because they are running. The current style of running the coaching industries, I'm not against them because I have also worked there only for 14 years. But there are some issues I should address because those are the addresses, those are the issues I want to solve for you. You are going for a coaching institute, they are teaching, okay, everybody in a group you are trying to learn. Few people are not able to catch the class, few people are able to catch it, 10% of people are able to succeed. What about the remaining people? That is my point. So is it true if I measure every single person with the same scale? Because different people will be having a different, what we call, talent, different interest. So I have seen no coaching institute currently providing you personalized guidance. They are treating, they are giving the best possible content, definitely for sure, but they are treating everybody equally. You are one in a group. If you are talented enough, you are able to succeed, but sometimes you definitely need some inputs. Those inputs for 5 minutes, 10 minutes talk with some expert can change your strategy in the preparation, can make your rank in the best possible way, can save your year. That is missing, definitely. That is definitely missing. The personalized guidance is missing in the current industry. If you agree, just comment your opinions also. I'll read at the end and I will also respond to your comments. So here, everybody preparing for one single exam. If you are not able to crack that particular exam, what about all the time you spent? You don't know how to utilize what you learned in that coaching institute if you are not able to crack that exam. For example, suppose you went for the gate exam. You went for the gate exam. You tried to crack it. Okay, you prepared for one particular year. You enjoyed the subject. You learned. You solved the problem. Somehow, on that particular day of examination, you are not able to make it. You are not able to make it. So, if you approach the same coaching institute, what they will say? Take one more year, take a drop. That is the only information available with them. Yes or no? So, how many of you are really guiding you? Okay, if you are not able to crack this exam with your knowledge, there are n number of other alternative options. So, why can't you keep it as a backup while preparing for the gate exam itself? They should guide you. So that is also one drawback I identified. So there are, I have taken some survey with the students. I have taken considered their problems and bringing you, and with my experience also, whatever the current issues with the coaching industry, I am bringing to that. And similarly, the educational institutes you are studying, I have seen not every single college, but many colleges is lacking. They are not giving proper exposure to the students. They are not, other than the textbook what you have, other than your exam, other than your questions and answers, they are not giving proper knowledge for the students. To be frank, I can say in our country, the standards of engineering is not up to the mark, and many of the engineers are not able to place in what they deserve originally. If you observe your level up to plus two, it will be different. Definitely plus two, up to plus two, you might have learned many number of things, or you are able to understand many number of things. At least you are able to solve the problem. Once you come to engineering, what's happening? The way they teach, there are n number of some root causes, not in you only, they are in the system also. So I want to address them. So first thing, you should identify your interest. Okay, you have joined the engineering, you should not prepare for only gate examination. You prepare one subject, you prepare two subjects, then they take a decision. Yes, I am very interested in this gate examination, I want to prepare for the gate exam, or I am not for this exam, my interest is somewhere else. So I sincerely saying that not everybody is doing this kind of analysis. Even you come to the coaching institute also, everybody, if you go for an admission, they will give you the admission. They never ask you what is your interest, why you are preparing for this exam, why only this exam, why not some other exam. This kind of identification missing in your coaching institute, missing in your engineering college also. So let me explain one thing. Uh, last month I went for an international conference. As you people know that I'm also doing some research part. So as a part of research, I went through one international conference where the people from almost every corner of the country appeared. So what happened is there I have seen, believe me, everybody from all countries I have seen, n number of people are participated. What about India, sir? From India also, many good number of people definitely participated. But the issue is all of them are from either IITs or ISC or some NITs. So most the people who are coming for these conferences, researchers, understanding the technology, all of them are from these particular colleges like IITs, NITs, IIScs, from these tier 1 institutes only. What about the other 90% of the people who are studying in the tier 2, tier 3 engineering colleges? They are also equally capable. If you show the exposure, what's happening in the world, how the subjects you are studying are related currently, what are the applications going on your particular engineering, you are studying signals and systems, how they are applied in the real time world, you are using the earphones, what kind of signal processing is happening there. So this kind of some sort of link between existing technology and your study is missing in your engineering college. This is one more issue I identified, and I want to solve this. I am addressing this issue, and also I want to solve this problem for you guys. So this platform definitely brings that kind of solutions for you. All this YouTube channel initiatives are aiming to connect you globally. So let me proceed further. So these are the issues currently faced by the students from the coaching industry, from your engineering colleges. Somehow the engineering study in our country is not going in a proper way. So this I am saying with 14 years of experience and speaking with many of people like you throughout the corners of the country, and with my research experiences, I have some world-class exposure with different country people I have interacted, and finally the points I am giving you are based on all this experience. So now I have addressed the issues. Now what kind of what you can expect from our channel? You can say, now you can comment it what you are expecting from us. Sir, I am expecting this, I am expecting this from your channel. So let me pause this video for a minute. I want to read your comments and I want to know what you are expecting from me, what you want. I want to know. So I'll tell you definitely what I am going to give for you, that definitely worth. And I want to know what you want to learn from my side, what you are expecting from this next level channel. So I want to know from you. Please feel free to comment. Thank you, Narayana. Okay. Yes, some student, yeah, was his name Blissful Life. I don't know his original name. So, sir, different videos for all different opportunities we have after engineering. Valid point. I will definitely work on it. I will be definitely. We have that plan with us. Sir, gate exam, gate and ESE exam. Fine. So those there are a number of platforms. Even I have personally worked in two platforms where I have given you the free content for Gate and ESC. We have given the best possible content there for sure. uh, Still here also we will do for PSU and GATE. Okay. So, okay. Still, I want to clarify one thing. I'm not against the GATE. I'm not against the PSU, but I want to say that for as an engineer, you have other options also. So I want to help you in that particular direction, not only for GATE, not only for PSU, like that blissful life he has specified. So show other opportunities we are having. All the opportunities bring one video. Yeah, that's definitely a good idea. So let's move further. So what you can expect from us? So we will help you to identify your interest. How we will be helping you to identify your interest? So very simple. Each and every technology, currently VLSA is there, embedded systems is there, control systems is there. In each and every industry is what's happening. I want to show with you. I will be bringing the experts from the industry, and every week I will be releasing some content explaining about each domain. Suppose you want to settle in VLSA domain. So what are the positives there? What are the negatives there? What kind of basic knowledge you need? What are the resources for that? Everything about that we will be discussing. Suppose as an electrical engineer, as an EC engineer, you want to settle in artificial intelligence currently. Is it possible? Is it valid? Or if you want to know industry, what's happening in the current industries, power plants, all there, what kind of work is going on, how your study is related to that, what kind of skills you need to develop such that you equip yourself for the industry, you must be ready for the industry. In that case, what kind of ideas required? So all these things, all the opportunities, I want to give you the information such that you people will be able to sustain as an engineer. Definitely I want to bring the interest in engineering. I don't want engineering is one exam and after that GATE is another exam, then you will be getting securing a job in the PSU, then the engineering is chapter is finished. That is not my idea. I want to show you what an engineer can do in the real life. Those things will be bringing to this particular channel continuously, regularly. So I want to show you the exposure to every different field, n number. As an engineer, if you take one particular subject, suppose you have taken signal processing, in that you have n number of different options available. Each and every option where you can settle, what are the practical applications and what are the different industries hiring for you, and for those industries what kind of skills you require, and different technologies, as I told, embedded systems, VLSA, and all these categories, what kind of pay scale you can expect there, and what kind of opportunities available there, and what kind of skills you need. So as a whole, I want to explain you each and every opportunity and each and every field regarding the engineering. So continuously you will be getting this kind of content in the platform. Okay, I don't want to just bring some questions, solve it, that I have done from past 5 years. Lot of content is already available from my side, and those of my colleagues who worked with us, worked with me in earlier. From the past 5 years, we have created a lot of content that is available in the recorded format for the GATE and ESE examination. So I don't want to again bring the same content. Sometimes when you have an examination, definitely I'll be helping with bringing the important questions and all. But other than that, I want to bring this new content to the platform. I want to give you this kind of awareness for you guys. So I want to place all you engineers who trust me here, who join with me, and definitely I want to place you people in where you deserve. So let me cite one example for you guys. For example, if you take a doctor, he never settled for a lowest possible job. Either he may go for better than something doctor. If we find some option, he might be able to go. Otherwise, he will be settling as a doctor only. If you take any other professional course, that is what's happening. But for engineer, after completion of our engineering, we will be deciding whether to go for banking sector, whether to going for management sector, whether to go for civil services. So other than engineering, we will thought of many other things. So as an engineer, I will show you how you will be most respected as an engineer, what you deserve as an engineer, how you can be settled to the best possible as an engineer. That kind of change I want to bring in you. So that kind of inputs you will be getting from this particular platform. So I want to make your engineering more and more interesting. That's it. So how next level is completely different. So completely different anywhere I need to teach, you need to learn those few basic things. We cannot change it, but few changes I want to bring it to the coaching industry. As I told, I want to help you personally. So those people who are with us, I will be guiding personally, and I want to show the difference compared to others for identifying your interest. And our courses will be completely different. Like in the platform YouTube, we will be providing the free content. Other than that, in our own platform, our Android app, everything we are designing, it's going to complete soon in week 10 days. There, our courses will be definitely completely different compared to what existing courses are happening. So I have this idea, I have this thought process from past 2 years, but I'm not able to make it because a proper team is required. And when I'm working with some particular company, I'm not free to express my ideas. I'm not free to implement any idea of my wish. They have their restrictions, they have their budget constraints, and I'm not free to help you in any way I want. But now this is my own platform. I can do whatever I want. And I'm working on it, and I also made a very good team for each particular domain, and those people are experts, not only educators, they are also having good enough experience in the industry. Those kind of people I picked and we associated. I will be introducing those people in a couple of sessions next. So I want to bring you the industry experts from every field. So for you people, the people who will be teaching you for the industry oriented courses will be definitely the people who are having the proper industrial experience. Those people will be teaching for you, and for YouTube people also, I will be bringing some people who is working in some particular industry. It can be a power plant engineering, or it can be a VLSI, it can be a data engineering, it can be artificial engineering. There who are working, I will be picking up, and I already in talks with many people. They are all positively responded. I'll be bringing those people for you guys. Every single week, I will be conducting some interviews with them so that your interest towards the engineering will increase, and also your knowledge and your resources will be improved. I will be showing you all the possible resources, whether it is free or paid, doesn't matter. So let's move further. So guys, here I want to specify something: revolutionary fee structure. If you take the gate examination, definitely I can say currently the gate examination fee, because of competition or n number of reasons, it is relatively at a lower price for sure, no doubt. But there are other courses. If you go for artificial intelligence course, if you want to take a VLSA course, people are charging like anything. They are charging you 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs for a simple courses also. I don't know why you need to pay that much. So I want to bring, we worked with a possible model such that we will bring, or we will slash down at least 80% of this. I want to bring you at 80% lower than what market is offering for you with the best possible content. And one thing, please listen here. My idea is I don't want an engineer to complete his engineering, then search for particular job. I want to make you people must be well equipped with the necessary skills when you are in the engineering itself. When you are engineering itself, you have the VLSA basics. When you are in the engineering itself, you have the power plant engineering basics. When you are in the engineering itself, you will be having the necessary required basics of the machine learning, artificial intelligence. So you are industry ready. I want to make you people industry ready when you are in the engineering itself. So for second year students, third year students, start from the basics. We will give everything. If you're already a pass out, in that case, I cannot go to your pass. So in that case, I might be helping you in a different way. But this is my idea. While completing the engineering itself, you must be having the necessary skills, and you must be well equipped with the necessary skills, and you must be having awareness about the opportunities you are having. So, you studied a control systems, for example. You don't know where you can apply that. You have studied about sensors. You don't know where you can apply that practically. You know how to solve the problem. Suppose you take a control systems, you have a PID controllers. Where we apply it in the practice, you should know that. So that makes your study or your engineering more interesting. So I want to relate your engineering subjects practically. I want to show you the opportunities available. Suppose in engineering you have 20 subjects, you are interested in 3 4 subjects only, or you went a coaching, you studied 12 subjects but you are able to learn 3 4 subjects only. I want to show you the opportunities with these 4 5 subjects. Why should you prepare, why should we prepare again one more year? Suppose you are interested in the control systems only with one subject, how can I settle in the best possible way? I'm very good in networks, digital analog, sir. How can I settle best? I'm not good with communications, but I'm not good with signals and system. I'm good with some other. Is it okay? Yes, well, definitely sufficient. Those kind of things I want to bring. So by this time, you might understand there is a difference between existing edtech platform and our platform. So there is no single platform I can challenge you, bringing you these kind of content. There are platforms who are providing you the best content for the gate, best content for your other examination, maybe AE, JE or something, some other competitive exam. This is a holistic approach where you will be getting the best possible content for every single engineer. So let's move from here. So I want to show you definitely, as I told you, industrial exposure. I will be giving you real time what's happening in the industries. I will be showing you. So these are the courses we are offering at next level. So we are not what we call launching everything on a single day. So we'll be launching one by one, but I want to show you what we want to offer for you guys. So we'll be starting the gate for electrical, EC, data science, artificial intelligence. We'll be starting for that. And other than that, I will show you the best team. Just wait for 3-4 days. Okay. Other than that, while you are studying your engineering, how to get the necessary basics of VLSA embedded, this course we are going to starting. In this industrial level training, believe in me, I will be bringing you the people from the top industries. You take for VLSA, you just go to the top companies, people from there will be coming and teaching for you. And these courses also we will design in a way such that first we will design a basic course. After the basic course, if you find interesting, then only you can go to the next course. Otherwise, you can skip it. So we don't force to prepare entire course even you are not interested. Suppose you joined in the gate examination coaching. Is there any coaching center prepare for 1-2 subjects? If you are not finding interest, leave it. But we are doing that. We are doing that. We will be dividing into modules, and once the first module is completed, we will talk with you, we'll ask with you, we'll discuss with you. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable with it? What kind of issues you are facing? Are you finding interest in this? Because you are selecting your career in this particular area where you are going to spend your rest of 30 years life. So this kind of personal guidance you can expect, and also the people from industry will be coming and teaching for you. So other than that, the current trending machine learning AI, there we will be taking different courses, basic level, intermediate and advanced. So let me explain you one point here. Irrespective of your branch, you are from EC, electrical, mechanical, civil, you can be from any branch. If you are an engineer, if you want to analyze the data really, you need to have some basic machine learning techniques currently. So like basic programming is required in earlier days. Here now you should know the basic machine learning algorithm. So we are designing one course for every engineer, the basic ML courses, and other than that, professionally AML courses. And other than that, the next initiative we are launching will be placement oriented courses. And very unique for our particular channel is industry specific courses. So in industry, suppose you go for one particular industry where electrical engineering is involved. In that, there are many number of subunits. Maybe you require some PLC training. Maybe you require some training in the control systems. Currently, industry revolution is going on. There is some IoT is industrial IoT is there. All kind of different technologies we want to bring it for you guys, and there we will be training. So this kind of initiative you don't find anywhere for sure. And lastly, in all these cases, my personal guidance will be there for you. And you know how many people are able to place. I have one short video placed in our channel. You can go there, and just in one single year, how many students, how many my students placed well, and how I am able to help from the past 14 years. You people knows me already, but yes, the personal guidance will be available. And in this case also, different levels. So suppose you joined with us, how what kind of personal guidance we can provide. This I will be discussing when we launch the course. Even you don't take any course, you require only guidance such that you need to settle in best possible way in your career. That is also available with us. So this is what we want to offer from our next level guys. And our team definitely contains, I already told you, experts from every domain, and all these people mostly IITians you will be. So I'll be introducing my team one by one, not all at the same time. Today I cannot introduce the 5 different domains. So if you give me some time, I'll be launching the gate. After that, after enough work is done, because the course we are designing, not only for gate, other courses we are designing properly, we are designing like first student will come here. I have seen the people who are charging 3 lakhs 4 lakhs for the courses like VLSA, and they are teaching just reading the PPTs. That is not here. Here we want to teach you in a way a student should be able to learn from zero level. That is our ultimate aim. So I have seen the people are joining, after the joining the courses, they are not able to cope up with the current coaching industry. That thing will not be there here. So you can see here, we will be having academic and industrial experts. We are not just bringing a normal educator who is teaching for the coaching industry. That is okay for GATE, not for other. So those things will be happening, and we'll be having one on top of this. I have very good contacts with some of my friends are now working as professors in IITs, and some of my friends are already working in a companies. They are taking interviews, they are going for IITs and hiring the people. I'll be bringing those people for my students, and they will be interviewing, they will be guiding you. And these are the people who are who advised or who supervised the course, and they have suggested some changes in our courses. So this kind of content I want to give you guys. So for this, I struggled 2 years to make the content, to make the team, to convince many people. I tried for some tie-ups, not happened. Then again, I worked, and ultimately, I want to help the engineering students. I have seen the struggle of many engineering students. I understood, okay, this is not the right way people are going. They are trying hard to reach their goal, but they are not able to succeeding. Then they are in no way. So preparing for 2 years, 1 years, after that, they are finding where I am. I have spent this much of time, this much of money. Now I don't find any resolution for my problems. I don't know what to do. This kind of students I have seen from long period. From there only this particular idea comes into picture, and I worked strongly for last 2 years to bring it to you. So this is about myself. Already you people knows me, but there might be, because it is new platform, some people might be relatively new to this particular channel. So I want to show you this is these are my qualifications. And in the past 14 years, I guided at least 10,000 plus students, and I taught to more than 1 lakh students in this online platform throughout the country. At least if you are a pass out engineering from EC or electrical, at least most of the people knows me. When I go somewhere, people recognize me from the engineering community. I feel very happy. That is also one kind of motivation for me to help you people, guys. So what's next going on from our side, from our next level? Then the we will be starting one new initiative. As I told, there are 5 6 initiatives with us, and that will grow like anything. And in that, the first initiative we are going to start is the gate examination courses that is going to launch on this Wednesday, that is 14th May 8 p.m. And already this that particular video is available in the live. You just make a note of it. 14th 8 p.m. I will be launching the gate. Believe in me, just note it. You can record this. I will be bringing you the best possible team, and there I will be explaining how our courses will be completely different, or how our coaching will be completely different compared to the existing, how our personalized guidance will help you, how our expertized teaching will help you. I will show you what's happening currently. So I don't want to speak negative about anyone, but still I will show you. And believe in me, just wait for 2 3 days. You will appreciate me for the gate initiative. You will say, yes, sir, this is what we need for the gate examination. So definitely believe in me. Just it's worth to subscribe to this channel, and it's worth to come to our platform. I will shape you to a proper engineer. That is my promise for all engineering students. So if you want to connect with us, you can contact me. My phone number is available 9705861166. I am giving my personal number right away, because many nobody tries to generally gives official number and all those stuff. I'm happy to connect with you. I'm happy to help with you. Preferably, instead of calling, text me in WhatsApp, because in my free time I am doing n number of things. I will be responding you at the generally at the late night and night. I will be replying everybody. If required, we can have a call also. So any kind of help for your career, I'm always there for. So you can scan this and join my Telegram channel, next level, and we can connect for next continuous updates. So guys, my request for you people is just subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with all your fellow engineering students and all your engineering college groups, such that it will have the maximum reach. That gives me more and more motivation. And believe in me, here I will be taking the decision, and this is my initiative, and with the best possible team. And earlier I tried to bring a lot of things for a lot of new initiatives, but there I don't have the sufficient freedom. And even though I worked in a very good platforms which gave me very good exposure, no doubt in it, but they have their own constraints. I have my own ideas. I'm not able to work on that. You can see here this gate English. I struggled like anything to launch these courses. Gate in English, I tried from last past 5 years. I'm trying to bring the best possible for the course for the gate English. Many students who are here might know. I have seen many students from the those who don't understand Hindi went for the Hindi videos. They are commenting, sir, please in English, please in English. No, you need not do that. Because as a single person, I have my limitations to do that. So that's why I worked hard from past 1 years. Many requests I have seen. but finally it's going to happen. This Wednesday, I will be showing you the batches for 26 and 27 and at the feasible rates. I'm already saying that for AI, ML and all the courses compared to market, I will be giving you at least 80% less. But for GATE, it is already beyond the possible price. And because the GATE, because of the competition available for the GATE examination, every single person can start the GATE coaching. Currently, if you are a password, you can start a channel, you can start a GATE coaching. That is what's happening. So GATE is already available at the reasonable price. So here we will be not worrying about the price issue. We are worrying about the change I want to bring in the coaching industry, that you will be seeing. Okay. And this course, definitely, I will be making in a tree structure such that if you don't go for the gate also, I will show you the alternate options. Okay. So that's it from my side. Now I want to take the questions. If you have any kind of questions regarding this channel, regarding this platform, I'm happy to help you guys. So some valid question people are asking, because I'm pretty good in past 5 years teaching in Hindi only, but many people are asking me this channel will be in Hindi or English. Most of the content will be delivering in English because these are the professional courses. Tomorrow you want to go for an MNC and you work there. There you need the skill. Definitely, I love my language. We love our languages for sure, but our skill is important. So learn in English. So these courses will be in English and this channel will be in English. But sometimes कभी कभी हम हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं, हिंदी में आप डाउट पूछ कर सकते हैं एंड हिंदी सेशंस ले सकते हैं, हिंदी में मैं आपका डाउट्स क्लियर करेगा. And same way తెలుగు people ఎవరైనా ఉంటే, as you people know, from beginning I am trying to help you. So తెలుగులో ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా సరే ఎప్పుడైనా అడగచ్చమ్మా. We will be having some sessions particularly in Telugu, but the most of the content will be in English. Okay. Any other question? Shivam, I have noted your update. I will be providing you those updates. Okay. I'll provide in the form of short, and or you can contact me, no problem. Okay. Gate, EE, EC, everything will be starting. Okay. Any other question from anybody? If you don't have any other question, we can wind up. So I don't want to waste your time and just wait for 2 days. Wednesday, we are launching the gate. Believe in me, I'm again and again saying that will be revolutionary in the gate. I will be giving you, I will be showing you the best possible, what we call collaboration we had, and the best possible team I will be showing you. After showing my initiative, you will definitely get surprised. It's beyond your expectations. Yeah, Sham, definitely for VLSA, I will be helping you. See, for any course, VLSA కాదు ఏ కోర్స్ అయినా సరే మనం బేసిక్స్ నుంచి అసలు వాట్ ఈస్ VLSA, what are the basic subjects you need to learn for VLSA, and what kind of skills you need to develop. All these things we will be explaining in our channel, in our platform. I want to bring you the courses even for 3,000, 5,000, or as low as possible also. At least some basic course I want to provide. And for YouTube, every time as I'm doing from the past 5 years, I will be helping for sure. Thank you. I can't spell your name. Vlogs. RF engineering is definitely going good. Lot of research is happening there. If you're really interested, yes, there are. It's a good choice. If you want, I can connect with someone who is working in RF. I can help you with that. So Gautam has completed his B.Tech in 2024. 2024 means last year only. So hardly you took 1 year drop. Sixth year rank is fine year. So thank you, Sonu Kumar Singh. Gautam, just wait for a few days. If you are interested in a gate, I can help you with the gate preparation. First point, as a first point, I can suggest you identify where you are lagging, why you missed it. Then we can discuss it. I mean, what is the reason you prepared for 1 year? Have you prepared properly, or you missed something in your preparation? Just think of that. Then, based on that, we can take a decision. If you want, just tell me your option. You want to go for the gate examination, or you want to prepare for job oriented courses. Tell me that, then accordingly I can guide you. You can join our Telegram channel, post your questions. I will be happy to help you guys. So that's it from my side. I hope I can sign off from here. We'll be meeting again on this next Wednesday. And one more thing, there might be, I will be taking some off in the mid-May. There you will be getting some gap for 15 days or something. After that, you will be from the June first week or somewhere, you will be getting the regular content. So regarding it, believe in me, we will be discussing or we will be continuing from this particular uh, Wednesday. We will be discussing the great launch of the best possible initiative for the GATE examination. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sham. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Love you all. All the very best. Hope you will rock definitely in your career. I want to place you, as I told earlier, also in the best possible position as an engineer. So that is my ultimate aim of this channel. This channel is not mine. This channel is of every single engineer watching here. You own it, you can share it, and you can suggest the content you need. I'm happy to bring it. Thank you.